Grab some kitchen towels or tea towels the next time you are at Walmart or your favorite big box store. Take 4 kitchen towels and iron out all the wrinkles. The towels can be the same pattern, or you can mix things up with coordinating patterns. Clip 3 to 4 round curtain rings to the short end of each towel. If you want to adjust the length of your towels, simply fold over the top and clip the rings along the fold. Then, slip the curtain rings onto simple tension rods and hang the rods in a window. Adjust the towel so the curve of the towels all face the same direction. Easy and instant window curtains. Find a fun tea towel with an interesting graphic image and turn it into home decor. First, iron out any wrinkles from the tea towel. Take any old or thrifted art frame and remove the previous art or any cardboard pieces. Apply painter's tape to the edge of the towel, securing it to the cardboard. Place the mat over the taped tea towel and slide it into the frame. You now have new, beautiful, and unique wall art. Find 3 or 4 tea towels or kitchen towels in a fun pattern. Flip 2 towels over and align the short ends up against each other. Place a strip of simple duct tape over the aligned edges and press down firmly. Continue to line up the towels end to end and tape the short ends together using duct tape. Have fun styling it on a table or kitchen island. I'm saving up for a home renovation project and I really need to get on top of my expenses. Well, today's sponsor, Rocket Money, is here to help. Rocket Money is the personal finance app that helps you cancel subscriptions, lower bills, and manage your money better. First, I'm using Rocket Money to cancel unwanted subscriptions. Rocket Money safely and securely identifies recurring charges and cancels unwanted subscriptions for you. You can even cancel from within the app with just a couple of taps. No need to worry about customer service calls. Rocket Money has helped its customers save up to $740 a year when they use all the features, with over $500 million in canceled subscriptions. I'm also using Rocket Money to set my budget. Rocket Money helps analyze your spending habits to create a custom budget that works with your lifestyle. You can automatically monitor your spending by category and get notifications when you've exceeded your limits. So I know exactly how many lattes are left in my budget. To save more and spend less, join the over 5 million members using Rocket Money today. Go to rocketmoney.com/hometalk or click the link in the description. You can also unlock more features with premium. That's rocketmoney.com/hometalk to get started for free. Now back to the DIYs.
To start this project, we'll need a couple different size picture frames and some dish towels. Now, depending upon the look you're going for, you can leave them as is or you can iron them. Now for the picture frame, we're going to go ahead and turn it upside down, and then we're going to open it all up, removing the backing, the stuff that comes inside. Now you can use the mat if you want, or you don't have to. It's really your choice. I will not be using the mat, but you could save it for another project down the road. One of the important things that we need to do for this project is to carefully remove the glass and make sure it's clean. What I've decided to do with this smaller frame is I'm gonna fold my dish towel in half. I like the idea of being able to repurpose and upcycle and use things again if I get tired of them. So I'm gonna go ahead, turn this dish towel that I folded in half sideways, and get it nice and centered up here with a little bit on the top and a little bit on the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead now and place my back inside the dish towel. I'm gonna fold it in, fold my prongs down to secure everything into place. So you might ask me, what kind of tape would I use? And the answer for that, for me, is painter's tape. Painter's tape is really easy to work with and it'll hold things in place, but when you go to peel it off later, it will not leave a sticky residue behind. But let's go ahead and flip this over and give you a quick look at what it looks like. And then I'll show you all the things you can do with this design. Now, you could stop right here and leave these as is for art in your home. Now, the first thing I'm going to use are these galvanized words, and you can find these online and sometimes at the dollar store. Now, I've placed the galvanized words underneath the glass on both of the picture frames. So I've got a command hook here, and what I'm going to do is place the back side on the back of the command hook, and we're going to place it onto the picture frame. Next, I purchased this wreath from the dollar section at Target. So I'm going to remove the tag, and then what I'll do is I'll hang the wreath onto the hook, and then I'll have my artwork. But the great thing about this wreath is I can make this interchangeable. So I might have this for the spring and summer, and maybe for the winter, I put a different wreath on for the holidays. So you could change this up with every season if you want to create a new look. So for this one, I'm going to utilize the word thankful, and I'm going to write down things that I'm thankful for. So I'm thankful for family, and friends, and health. This is great for holidays or just every day in general. And you could write them all over the board. Everybody could share. And you could write down every day 3 things that you're grateful for. When the day is done, or the next day, or maybe the next holiday, simply erase it and start over. You can also use this as a reminder board. So if you need to remind your kids to grab their lunches on the way out, or don't forget to go to the doctor, or whatever your reminders are, you can make a list of reminders with the same concept. Here they are on my mantle, and I couldn't be more thrilled with how they turned out.
For this project, what you're going to need is an old family recipe. You're going to scan the recipe and print it onto transfer paper. When you do that, you want to make sure that you mirror the image. Okay, you're going to want to cover the image with a Teflon sheet, a pillowcase, or a t-shirt. And I'm going to be transferring this onto a dishcloth. And following the instructions, I'm just going to apply heat. You're going to want to remove the paper while it's still hot. Now that you have your recipe on your dishcloth, you can create a beautiful themed gift basket. I'm starting with a beautiful floral table runner. Gonna give it some padding, and then some matching napkins with beautiful floral napkin rings. The dishcloth wants to be right front and center, I think. Some teaspoons, some tea, cute little whisk. Let's put it like that. Teapot. And there you have it. Beautiful gift basket for the lady in your life, or any tea lover. What you're going to do is just go ahead and add it to a wonderful gift basket for someone in your life. I'm going to create a already done / baking themed gift basket here. I started by lining the bottom with another dishcloth, and now I'm just going to add some of my favorite things. And that's it. You have a fun baking themed gift basket for someone in your life. So I hope you like this project. Stay tuned next time for my next video. Thanks for watching.